Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to turn on your flashlight using the power button on Android. First, open your Settings app from the app drawer or notification panel. Then scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. After that, look for Side Key and tap on it to access the power button settings. Now, you'll see an option called Double Press. Tap on that. Furthermore, select Quick Launch Camera from the list of options. After scrolling down, you'll find Quick Launch Camera. Enable this toggle if it's off. Additionally, tap on it and select Open Flashlight instead of Open Camera. Now, go back to Side Key Settings, and then under Double Press, make sure Quick Launch is selected. And that's it. Now double press your power button anytime, and your flashlight will turn on instantly. Double press again to turn it off. This quick access feature is perfect for emergency lighting situations. Try it out and let me know if this power button flashlight shortcut works for you.